Hey guys, namaste, namaskara, vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel Tax Thalaiva this side. Guys, very recently I have analyzed the past 5 attempts question papers of CA examination, including the very recent May 2025 examination question paper. And you know what? The results were really shocking. I have noticed the 5 major changes which the ICAI has made in its examination pattern, which will have a lot of impact on the coming examinations. Guys, you know very well, ICAI wants to produce quality chartered accountants into the market, and that is why these major changes were implemented by ICAI very recently. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 such major changes which ICAI have made and will be also making lot of changes in future. So be tuned in this video till the end. We will keep 50 like target for this video. Please like the video so that I can come up with lot of such interesting content for you guys. So let's get into the video straight away. So the first major decision by ICAI is to allow the students to carry the MCQ question paper home after the examination is done. Earlier, ICAI was not allowing the students to carry the MCQ question paper, but now students can carry back home the MCQ based question paper. You know what? This is actually a trap. ICAI knows very well that once the students go back home, he will sit and analyze that question paper rather focusing on the coming examination. Guys, ICAI only wants those students to clear the examination who are actually emotionally strong and who are actually very serious about their examination. Those serious candidates will not make mistake of coming back home and spoiling their time or wasting their time on analyzing the past question paper. They would rather focus on the coming examination, and that is why this step is being taken. The number 2 step which is taken by ICAI is changing the question paper pattern. Yes guys, earlier there used to be only descriptive questions for CA inter level and CA final level, but now 50% of the question paper is based on MCQs. Now this gives the more chance for the ICAI to test the students on all sort of concepts which are there in the syllabus, which was not possible earlier. And earlier students used to focus only on on practical papers, through which they used to score high marks, and they used to ignore the theoretical papers like audit and law, and used to somehow manage get 40-50 marks in those papers, and they used to get the aggregate and clear the examination. But nowadays Institute is focusing on making the practical papers more tough, and that is why it is visible in the recent May 2025 examination where CA inter level FM SM paper was damn tough and theoretical papers were actually manageable. So if you are preparing for coming examinations, you need to balance both practical papers and theoretical papers. You have to give equal importance to both sort of papers. The third big change which ICAI is doing is to change its answer checking pattern. Earlier what used to happen, it was bit easy for the students to score good marks, even though they used to manage writing moderate answers, not having so many technical terms in it. But now ICAI has decided that unless a student writes technical terms in the paper, unless he uses professional level of language in the paper, the students cannot expect good marks. In papers like taxation, the student has to first give the provision, explain the provision which is applicable for the question, and then analyze the provision, how is it even applicable in the question, and then conclude the answer. Guys, in order to cater this problem, especially in students, I have come up with income tax marathon videos for CA intermediate students. Recently I have uploaded on my channel. Full income tax is covered just within 12 hours. You can go watch them. I will leave that video's link in this video's description. You can definitely watch. The fourth big decision taken by ICAI is to control the pass percentage. If you remember, earlier the pass percentage for CA Inter and CA Foundation was bit higher side, like 25-30%. But very recently this has drastically come down from 25-30 to just 10-15%, because this is in line with the objective of ICAI to just produce quality chartered accountants in the market. So you need to be very careful, and you need to be really dedicated to clear the examinations. Otherwise it is not like earlier situation, guys. But one good thing which ICAI is doing is here, giving the CA students frequent chances to clear the examination. That is why 3 times in a year now all levels of CA examinations are being conducted. The last big decision taken by ICAI was to increase the level of MCQ questions. Earlier MCQ questions was just a single liner question and very simple MCQs to the point, directly from the book they used to ask. But nowadays it is not like that. MCQs are totally based on case based scenarios where the question itself is of 1 page for each one MCQ. So guys, students need to actually be prepared for the examination more practically, not just theoretically. So analytical skills are required to crack these kind of MCQs, and that is why by leveling up the MCQ toughness, the students who are clearing the examination will be quality chartered accountants. So guys, these are the silent warnings from ICI to produce quality chartered accountants, which you need to actually realize as soon as possible. So these are no more hidden warnings. This I have revealed through this video. So do share this video with your friends also who are going to prepare for the upcoming examinations. Okay, so if you are someone who are preparing for upcoming examination, this video will be really helpful for you. If you have already appeared for May 2025 examination and expecting results, and if you think that you are definitely gonna crack this examination, then boss, you have to plan your next phase of your CA journey, which is articleship. Guys, I have prepared an in-detailed video of what are the tips and tricks which will be helpful for you to land yourself in top 50 CA firms in India for your articleship period, for interview preparation guidance of how to crack your HR round, manager round, partner round, what is a group discussion, how to tackle all this. These things you will find in 100% English language only on this channel, Thalaiva. Guys, do subscribe to this channel. We will keep target of 50 likes in this video. So please do like, don't forget, because I need to get the confidence or motivation to prepare more such content for you guys. So please do like this video, share with your friends who are also in the same scenario, and do subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss amazing content for your CA journey. Take care. Bye bye.